written by William Wordsworth. Let's see our first question. Who wrote what? Intimations of Immortality and Tintin Abbey? Option A, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Option B, William Blake. Option C, William Wordsworth. Option D, John Keats. Answer, William Wordsworth. Which literary period do these poems belong to? Option A, Victorian period. Option B, Romantic period. Option C, Modernist period. Option D, Enlightenment period. Answer, Romantic period. What is the main theme of Tintin Abbey? Option A, the beauty of childhood. Option B, the relationship between nature, memory and human life. Option C, the power of imagination. Option D, the fleeting nature of time. Answer, the relationship between nature, memory and human life. In Ode, Intimations of Immortality, what does Wordsworth lament the loss of? Option A, the beauty of nature. Option B, the innocence of adulthood. Option C, the visionary connection to nature experienced in childhood. Option D, the companionship of friends. Answer, the visionary connection to nature experienced in childhood. To whom does Wordsworth address Tintin Abbey? Option A, his sister Dorothy. Option B, his brother John. Option C, a childhood friend. Option D, his mentor. Answer, his sister Dorothy. Where is the poem Tintin Abbey set? Option A, the Lake District. Option B, the River Wye. Option C, the Scottish Highland. Option D, the Thomas River. Answer, the River Wye. How long had Wordsworth been away from the Wye Valley when he revisited it in Tintin Abbey? Option A, 3 years. Option B, 5 years. Option C, 7 years. Option D, 10 years. Answer, 5 years. What does Wordsworth describe as his anchor in Tintin Abbey? Option A, his faith. Option B, his memories. Option C, nature. Option D, his family. Answer, nature. In Tintin Abbey, how does Wordsworth describe his youthful relationship with nature? Option A, thoughtful and reflective. Option B, passionate and instinctive. Option C, detached and indifferent. Option D, confused and chaotic. Answer, passionate and instinctive. How does Wordsworth view nature in his adulthood as stated in Tintin Abbey? Option A, with deeper reflective understanding. Option B, with a sense of loss and nostalgia. Option C, as irrelevant to human life. Option D, as mysterious and unknowable. Answer, with deeper reflective understanding. What role does Dorothy play in Tintin Abbey? Option A, she represents Wordsworth's childhood innocence. Option B, she symbolizes hope and continuity. Option C, she critiques Wordsworth's view on nature. Option D, she inspires Wordsworth to reject nature. Answer, she symbolizes hope and continuity. What is the Wordsworth attitude toward memory in Tintin Abbey? Option A, memory fades with time and loses its value. Option B, memory intensifies and sustains the joy of nature. Option C, memory is unreliable and misleading. Option D, memory serves only as a reminder of loss. Answer, memory intensifies and sustains the joy of nature. What does Wordsworth refer to as shades of the prison house in the Ode to Immortality? Option A, the passing of time. Option B, the constraints on adulthood. Option C, the limits of imagination. Option D, the beauty of nature. Answer, the constraints of adulthood. What is the source of the intimations of immortality in the Ode? Option A, childhood memories of a divine connection. Option B, the beauty of nature. Option C, religious faith. Option D, the passage of time. Answer, childhood memories of a divine connection. What does the phrase celestial light symbolize in the Ode? Option A, the divine glory associated with childhood. Option B, the beauty of natural landscapes. Option C, the fleeting nature of life. Option D, the power of imagination. Answer, the divine glory associated with childhood. What does Wordsworth associate with childhood in the Ode? Intimations of immortality. Option A, a sense of mystery and detachment. Option B, a divine vision and spiritual closeness to nature. Option C, the beginning of human struggles. Option D, a rejection of rationality. Answer, a divine vision and spiritual closeness to nature. How does Wordsworth view adulthood in the Ode? Intimations of immortality. Option A, as a time of ultimate understanding. Option B, as a loss of the divine connection present in childhood. Option C, as a rejection of imagination. Option D, as a pace of enlightenment. Answer, as a loss of the divine connection present in childhood. Which of the following best captures the central idea of both poems? Option A, nature is indifferent to human life. Option B, childhood holds a divine connection that is lost in adulthood. Option C, memory and nature sustain the human spirit. Option D. Humanity is powerless against time. Answer. Memory and nature sustain the human spirit. What does Wordsworth believe can compensate for the loss of childhood vision in adulthood? Option A. Religious faith. Option B. The wisdom and insight gained with age. Option C. Active imagination. Option D. Total detachment from the past. Answer. The wisdom and insight gained with age. Last one. What is the tone of both ode? Intimations of Immortality and Tintin Abbey. Option A. Joyful and carefree. Option B. Reflective and bittersweet. Option C. Angry and critical. Option D. Detached and indifferent. Answer. Reflective and bittersweet.